Hello, jammers, and everyone out there in the world who subscribed to me. Finally, at least someone really believes in me and subscribe me. It's right there. Professor, Professor Spooky Paw. So yeah, basically it. I just wanted to make a video with this person in it because looks like a sheep. Because she wanted to be in a video and she's never been in a video before, so yeah. Bye.